Hello, and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. I had the BAL X-Chocks, which we had since our last camper. We've had them quite a few years, and I had a little mishap with them. We won't get into that. But I had a little mishap, and I wanted to get some new ones. Well, I couldn't find these on sale anywhere, so I kept searching. I found these. Let's see if I can get the English up here version. The T-Chock by Stromberg Carlson products. And I thought I'd just do a quick review on them. So open the box up. I already had this out, checking it out. So this is it. It comes with two of these and one wrench. And the way this works is you would put this in between your tires and you would just turn this one way or the other to get them to come out. And then they'll push on your tire here, and that stops your camper from moving forward and back. And also it's a little bit more of a deterrent from somebody stealing your camper, because this is another step they'll have to go through to steal your camper. Okay, now these will open up between 2 and 17 inches, so it's pretty varied. You can get two axles that are 17 inches apart and you're still good. Okay, well, we might as well go ahead and put them on. I'll show you how they go on. Okay, so all you want to do, make sure it's small enough. Put it in there, tighten her up, take your wrench, and tighten them down. And that's it. And like I said, that'll stop some forward-backward motion on your camper. Okay, in comparing the two, I think the BAL is a little bit more rugged. The steel's a little bit thicker on it. And I think the price, these were a little bit more expensive, so you're going to pay a little bit more for something a little well-made. But there is nothing wrong with this. There is one thing wrong, though. It comes with one wrench. It should give you two, because what we do is we put one in each side of the pass-through and a wrench on each side of the pass-through. So when we're setting up, that's our steps we go. We each come over, we put our own sides on. So yeah, if they would include two, this would be pretty good. Okay, I will leave Amazon associate link in the description. I'm gonna leave a link for both of these products on Amazon. And if you would purchase through my Amazon link, I would get a small commission that helps the channel out. Okay, so there you go. Thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.